Alright, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my last video, which was how to make money with only $500 on stocks. This is an update video showing you guys exactly how much money I have made since the last time. As you could tell, I have $598.73 currently investing. That is over, I think, about over $20 that I had the last video, as you can see, and this is only in what, 4 or 5 days. I'm going to be showing you guys what stocks I have been using, which ones have made me money and which ones have lost me money since the last time. So as you could see, I've gone up $20 and change since last time on my stocks. I will be showing you guys exactly what that is. Okay, so right here I'm going to be showing you guys this. So as you can see, Abbott is still losing me money since the last time. I'm losing $1.40, which isn't that bad, but oh well, you know, it's probably going to go back up. It's fluctuated over the past, and I know that eventually it will go back up. The next one, this is one that I just bought not too long ago. It's called G Dot. It's Green Dot is its full name. So as you could tell, it's not doing that good as of now. You could see that it's actually crashed a lot since yesterday. So I bought this one today specifically for that reason. And see, these are the types of things that you guys have to look for. As you could see right here, it was up to $63 yesterday, and I bought it specifically because it crashed, because there's a high potential that was just a fluctuating crash that happened real quick, and there's a big possibility that it will go back up. So as you could tell, it went from $63 down to $44, and I bought it at $46.37, and I bought 5 shares for a total of $232.80. Okay, so you could tell right there that this is the past day's activity. This is today's activity, and it has been not necessarily fluctuating all that much. It did crash, but I'm just waiting for it to go back up. As of now, I've made 96 cents off of it. As you could see, 96 cents is what I've made off of it, which I'm hoping that it goes up higher so that I can make more money off it. That's one of the reasons why I bought 5 shares instead of 1, because I have a feeling that if it goes up big, which I hope and I think it will, I will be making a lot more money. So that's one of them. That one so far hasn't done me all that good, but I just bought it today, as I said. Plug, as you could see, I am negative 76 cents, which isn't all that bad. Oh well, that's one of the ones that I know it's probably not going to make me that much, and I'm not really hoping for. AXSM, which is Exum Therapeutics, has made me actually a very good amount of money today. Too bad I only own 2 shares, and I bought them at $15.06, and right now they are at $19.81. So I've made a total of $9.48, which is amazing. I can't tell you for how long I had been losing money on that one, and now I am finally making money. I am finally making money on that one, which is amazing. Orogenics, I have 56 shares. I'm losing $4.44. Oh well, time to move on. That's one that I am hoping it will blow up in the near future. I'm hoping that something will go on with the company, that they'll branch out, or they'll find something, a new drug or something that will make the stock blow up. But as of now, I'm waiting, and I know for sure eventually it will blow up. So that's why I have 56 shares of it. And imagine that if it goes up to $10 a share, even if it goes up to $5 a share, I will be making good money because I own 56 shares, and that's one of the reasons why I bought so many of such a cheap stock. The next one is Galapagos. Galapagos hasn't made me, but it's actually made me lose some, but it's not that bad. I've only lost $4.81. Not that bad. It will eventually go up again. I'm pretty sure. That's the only reasons why I bought it. It's $100 stock, which is expensive. That's why I only purchased one at the moment. But let me show you the next one. So next, it's IQE or whatever. I am currently losing $5 $5.05, as you could see. I have 2 shares. I bought them at $24.04, and right now it's at $21.51. That's one that I kind of hoped I should have sold when it was making me money, but hey, it's not there. I missed the timeline. I missed the time where it was making me money. So oh well, you know what, with stocks you just got to learn to move on and just hold it out. Even if you seem like you're losing, you just have to hold it out, and hopefully eventually you will make a good amount of money off of it. The next one is McEwen Mining. That's the one I bought the last video. I think it's at $1.46, and I bought it at $1.37, and I bought 15 shares. So that's not all that bad. I've actually made $1.35. That's actually awesome for this, because I didn't expect it to make me anything anytime soon. I expected it. The only reason I purchased it was because it's a mining company, and I love investing in mining companies because I feel like if they find a new mineral or they hit a jackpot with a mineral, then it has a big potential blowing up, because it will have a lot to sell. So that's one of the reasons I bought it, and that's actually great because it made me $1.35 when I didn't think it was going to make me anything anytime soon. So that's great. There we go. And that's just how much I've made currently. I'll show you guys the price of the current stocks. So Abbott is currently at $76.42. G Dot, which is Green Dot, $46.56. Plug, $2. AXSM, $19. And there you go. There you could see the exact prices of all the stocks that I currently have. But see, as you can see, I have made over $20 since the last video. I told you guys it is possible to make money on only $500 worth of stock. I told you guys, you just have to invest in the right places. You have to, and see, this is the thing. This is why I love Robinhood. If you click right down here, which is in the search bar, it tells you today's top movers. It gives you the positives and the negatives. So see, look, if I wanted to buy this one, I would see that it flatlined not too long ago. Probably today it flatlined from one day to another. So because of that, this is when I would purchase it. I would check it out and see how, if it's going up or down all day today, and I would analyze it until I get a peak up or a peak down, and then that's when I would buy it. You have to check it out, because sometimes it will peak down, and that means that it's going to continue to crash. But if you see it peak up a little bit, that's when you should definitely buy, because most likely you will make money off of that. It's not a guarantee, as I said before in the past, but it is something that can happen. Here's another one, Control 4. I don't know exactly what this company is, but you could see that it's been making good money today. It blew up. You see, on these you don't really want to buy, because most likely they're going to stay stable, and you're probably not going to make that much money off of it, if you do at all. So on the ones that are making money today, I don't think you should waste your time purchasing it, because most likely it's going to stay, and then it's probably going to fall. But these are the ones I love, these right here, because right here it tells you which ones are losing the most money, and you have to look at these little inclines. You have to see the inclines and see if it's going to make money today. Sorry about the change. It just changed because it's currently 3 o'clock, and once it hits 3 o'clock it turns dark, because it's considered nighttime in New York or whatever. But you could still see it. So those are the little peaks you got to look up for. This is probably when I would start buying it, and then, but if not, I would just wait a day and then check it till the next day. But yeah, this is the good part about Robinhood, because you get stuff like this. This is why I tell you guys, if you guys really want to make money, you guys should download Robinhood, because not only do they not charge you, they give you stats, and they give you the top movers, and it just is a good overall download, if I was you, to use it for especially for trading in low money stocks. If you're trading in low money stocks, definitely get Robinhood. And don't forget that if you use my link, not only will I get a free a stock, but you will also get a free stock. So don't forget that. This is the one that I made a lot of money on today. I made like 20 bucks on it today. Oh no, I think I made like 15 bucks, 14 bucks on it today. Roku for some reason blew up today like no other. Like no other. I had owned it. If you guys remember in the last video, you saw that I was losing a few bucks on Roku, and finally today it blew up. It blew up and it made me about 15 bucks. I'll show you the stats right here. And the reason see, this is why you guys have to read into it too, though. You guys have to see the quarterly buys, which it tells you right here, the quarterly earnings or whatever. It tells you them right here. This is why it's also a good reason to have this app. Here's what I bought it at. Okay, so I bought it at $68.78 on March 25th, 2019, and today I sold at $80.11. How amazing is that? I seriously thought that it was not going to go back up and that I was just going to lose money on it, but it actually went up. So see, this is something that happened today that you just, like, no one knows, not even God himself knows. This is something that just happened out of nowhere, but I ended up getting lucky, which is amazing for me, and it could be amazing for you guys too if you guys study the market. And you guys have to look at my statistics, look at my current stocks, and make a decision for yourself, because you guys can make money too off of just $500. If you guys have the opportunity to, you guys should do it as well, because look at this money that I'm making just sitting here doing nothing. This is amazing, and you guys could do it too. It went up 20% today, 20%, and I owned it for a few months and I made a good amount of money on it. I wish I would have had more Roku stocks, but I didn't. Oh well, that it happens. You know what? I'm just glad that I made not only my money back, but I made $15 back as well. So yeah, so these are just my stocks though, and this is just an update on my stocks and what I'm teaching you guys. So I'm telling you guys should do this, because you could also make money as I have. I started off with $500, and now you could see I have $598.73, and you could do it as well. Just look into it, look at my stocks, and make decisions for yourself, because you guys could do it as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.